Man, that's one of my go-tos right here. Wow, man, that's good. Of course, I'm gonna measure it out. I'm just gonna sprinkle it on there. Look at that. It's like you're at the restaurant, but you're at the house. Man, hold up. So I've gotten this question a couple times already. Do I cook with cottage cheese? Oh yeah, I cook all the time with cottage cheese. Let me know in the comments, do you cook with cottage cheese? If so, what do you like to cook with it? The reason why I like to cook with cottage cheese is because it is such a great way to add more protein and flavor into your meals. You can put it with your beef, you can put it with your chicken, you can add it to sauces. There are so many different ways to use cottage cheese to up your protein. You know, I'm all about getting that protein. So I'm gonna show you a meal that I love to have, that I make all the time. It's gonna get you around 65 grams of protein. I'm gonna show you a carb way and a no carb way. It's up to you, whatever kind of diet you're gonna run with, doesn't matter. Just as long as it's something that you'll continually eat, that you'll continually have into your rotation, get your protein, eat a healthy meal to keep you from eating something unhealthy. So let me show you what we're gonna use here. All right, so right now I got the beef cooking. What I like to always recommend, if you can, get some kettle and fire. I like to just add a little bit to the beef as it's cooking. Gives it some great flavor. Plus, it keeps it from sticking too much, but it gives it some great flavor in the beef. So grab some kettle and fire if you can. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put the cottage cheese in there. Okay, so whenever the beef's almost done, that's when I add the cottage cheese. So this is 1 serving of cottage cheese, which is gonna get you 15 grams of protein right here. So what you wanna do is just mix it in. It's gonna take a little while for it to cook in here. You just wanna mix it all together. And the beef is just about cooked. So let's go ahead and mix this in. I'm gonna turn the heat up, let this cook a little bit. Okay, so while the beef is cooking, I'm gonna show you the pasta that I'm gonna use. I always use this pasta right here, protein pasta, 10 grams of protein, measure out 2 ounces. That's gonna get you 10 grams of protein right there, all right? I mean, protein pasta, you just can't beat it. This is if you want some carbs. If you don't want carbs, you can just take the protein pasta out. Instead of 65, you're gonna get you 55 grams of protein, right? It's up to you. It's however you wanna roll. Another option you can do if you don't want to go with the carbs, you can always get like some miracle noodles, okay? A lot of places sell these miracle noodles. They're great. Of course, they're a real low carb option. This is a fettuccine. You can get fettuccine. They have angel hair. There's all kinds of different kind of options. Or you can just leave all that out if you want. You can put it with vegetables. You can throw broccoli in there. However you want to do it, all right? Just as long as you're going to get your protein in, there's plenty of different options to fit anybody's diet. Choose a diet, whichever one you want to go with, whichever one fits your personal goals, go with that. What I'm going to use now is this traditional pizza sauce, this Classico traditional pizza sauce. This is one I like to go with. I'm just going to use 1/4 cup. It's only 40 calories. You cannot beat that, all right? So this is perfect. Remember, this is 5 ounces of beef. I'm going to use 1/4 cup of this. Just put it on in there. Now this is totally optional. If you can find Flavor God pizza seasoning, get you some, okay? If you can't find it at the stores, you can get it on Amazon. I highly recommend you get you some Flavor God pizza seasoning. I use it all the time. I mean, obviously, look at that, it's almost gone. I actually have another one, so I'm good. But once you sprinkle this on here, it is gonna start smelling like pizza up in your house. I'm trying to tell you. Okay, just sprinkle you a little bit on there. Flavor God pizza seasoning, get you some of that. They have plenty of different seasonings. What you do is you just mix this in here. Ooh, buddy, it's starting to smell like pizza. Oh man, it smells so good in here right now. So it might not look the best right now, but don't worry, it's gonna taste good, I promise you, all right? We're looking at 65 grams of protein coming up real quick. And over here to the side, we have 2 ounces of protein pasta, almost done. And we're just gonna add that in there. I'm telling you, man, this meal is almost done. We're about to grub. It just smells so good, I gotta talk about this seasoning again. Like I said, if you can find this, get you some, okay? Some stores carry it, but if not, go to Amazon, buy you some, have it shipped to your house. I'm trying to tell you, this stuff is so good. It smells so good in here. It smells like pizza. I mean, it's great, all right? So definitely check this out. If you want to give it, you don't have to do it. If you want to give it more of a pizza flavor, this is gonna hold you down. You're gonna just taste great, all right? So definitely check this out. The pasta's about done. Man, we're about time to eat, come on. Okay, so I just drained the pasta and I wanted to just show you, guys, this is 1 serving of pasta, cooked pasta. Okay, this is 2 ounces of cooked pasta, all right? Not a gigantic bowl, this right here, okay? So make sure you're measuring it out. Put it on a scale, measure out 2 ounces. This is 2 ounces cooked, okay? I just wanna give you an idea of what it's gonna look like, all right? So next time you think you're just scooping up a bunch of pasta out the pan and throwing it in a bowl or throwing it on a plate, it could really be throwing off your macros, all right? You have to measure it out. I'm trying to tell you, come on. Here it is, look at that. We're just gonna add the pasta to it. This is so Simple, guys. I'm trying to tell you, just mix it all in there. Look at that. What you have here is a big plate of protein, 65 grams of protein, almost. I'm gonna show you how to make it 65 real quick. But this meal right here is gonna be 65 grams of protein. So everything's already cooked. You just mix it together. You can't even tell anymore. Let me know. Can you see the cottage cheese in there? Nope, but it's in there packing protein. I'm trying to tell you. Now let's plate this joker and get to grubbing. All right, here we go. Look at this. Lunch, dinner, served. Check that out. Ooh, buddy, come on now. Just smelling like pizza up in here that you made at the house. One thing I like to add on to mine is Parmesan cheese. This is totally optional, but it's gonna add 9 grams of protein. I think it tastes great, so I'm gonna add 1 serving. So 1 serving is 1/4 cup, so of course I'm gonna measure it out. I'm just gonna sprinkle it on there. Look at that. It's like you're at the restaurant, but you're at the house. Check that out. Man, hold up. There it is, look at that. Boy, tell me something. This looks like something you get at a restaurant, and it smells like something you get at a restaurant. What you're looking at here is 5 ounces of beef, 1 serving of cottage cheese, 1 serving of protein pasta, and threw a little Parmesan cheese on top because I like Parmesan. You don't have to put that on there, but if you have this exact meal right here, it's gonna be around 580 calories, 65 grams of protein, 43 grams of carbs, and around 17 grams of fat, okay? Now, like I said, if you don't want the carbs in there, just take them out. It's all right. So if you take out if you don't want the carbs in there, just take out the pasta. If you take out the pasta, you're looking at 388 calories, 55 grams of protein, 4 carbs, and around 16, 17 grams of fat, okay? So whichever way you wanna roll, you roll that way, all right? But I'm gonna eat it like this, and man, I'm trying to tell you, this is one of the best meals I make. I make it all the time. You have to try this. Try this meal out. You let me know how you like it. This is like a restaurant style plate that you made at home in under 15 minutes. It doesn't take long at all, okay? It doesn't take long at all. I'm trying to tell you, you have to try this out. You need to let me know in the comments once you try this, and then you're gonna thank me later. I'm trying to tell you, this is so good. Go look for that pizza seasoning. If you really wanna kick that flavor up a little bit, that flavor guy is no joke, all right? So, but man, I'm about to eat this. It smells so good. I'm over here just, man, it smells good. I'm about to get down on this. Let me know what y'all think on this one, and I'm gonna talk to y'all next time. Let's go.